Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn off any sound and vibration on your Nokia 105. For that we need to go to our settings and then we need to go to tone settings, and then we have the ringtone here and we have the ring volume, so we can just customize that by going left or right. Then we can also say vibrating alert, on, off, or vibrate when ringing. Then we also have the message alert tone, no tone, standard, beep once, or ringing tone. We want to say no tone. Then we have keypad tones, so you can turn that on or off. And then we also have warning tones. We can also go to our menu and then go to settings and then go to profiles, and here you can say general or silent, and then we can activate the silent mode, personalize it, or time it. If we go to personalize it, we can just say from 9:16 we want it to be silent, for example. If we go back, go to our profiles again, go to silent again, we can just activate it in general, and then our phone is in the silent mode. So that is how you can turn off any sounds on your Nokia 105. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.